Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this cute popcorn cart, and this is my sample for Simply Made Crafts new release. So this is using the popcorn cart die set as well as the Celebration A5 stamp set and the gorgeous A4 paper pack in this collection. So I went for some bright colours and I think it's turned out really nice. You can add popcorn in this or any treats that you want, and then obviously I've got the decoration on the side there, and then the lid pops open so you can pop your treats inside. So really easy die set to put together, and I hope that you enjoy the tutorial. So to make the cart you need to die cut out the main die twice, and I've cut these out in some bright yellow cardstock. So I've cut two of them out. For the roof you will need to cut out 4 of these, and I've used the patterned paper. Then these are the tubes to go underneath to have as the base. So you need to die cut 2 of them using this one here. You'll need this section and you'll need to die cut 1 of them using this one here. Then for the handles I've cut 2 in the yellow and 2 in the black, because I'm going to add a bit of black to the yellow, which will be the main handle. So if you want to do that you'll need to use this die here and cut that out 4 times. For the wheels I wanted to use white and black and then pink for the centre. So I've die cut out 4 of the large wheels, 2 in black, 2 in white, and again for the small ones 2 white, 2 small, and that's these dies here. Then for the centre I've punched out some pink card and I've used my 3/8 of an inch punch for that. For dies that come in this set, so we've got the popcorn sentiment, then we've got this banner here that the popcorn can go on. We've also got the sweet sentiments, so that could go on there. We've got a tag, and I think this die cuts out the stamped image in the stamp set, and then we've got the admit one ticket as well. So we're going to start off with the 2 main pieces, and what I would recommend is just get your scoreboard and just line up these score lines in one of those tracks on your scoreboard and just go over those score lines, and that way it will stop your card from cracking. So just line up this score line here with this groove here and just go over it, and I will do that to all of your pieces. So all we need to do is just add glue to one of these tabs here first, and then we're going to just line these up. So you want this edge here lined up with that score line there. So before we continue we need to add some acetate. You could add acetate or vellum, it's your choice. And I've cut 4 pieces of acetate that measures 3 inches by 3 inches, and I've added red liner tape because that will stick my acetate down better than liquid glue. So I'm going to stick them down. Okay, so that's now added. So again we're going to add glue to this tab here, and then this will get glued on to there. So there we go, so that's now assembled. So now we're going to do the lid. So you're going to bring in these 4 pieces and we're going to glue these together. Add some glue on to this large tab here, and also this little one there. And then we're just going to line up your 2 pieces together. And then this smaller tab's going to get tucked behind this scallop piece, so it will straighten those corners up there like so. I'm going to continue doing that till you've gone all the way around. Okay, so that's the lid now assembled, and then that will just fit inside there like so. And how cute is that? So now we need to do the tubes for the base. So you get these 2 pieces here, and all we're going to do is just fold on those score lines and use your bone folder to give them a good press. Glue to one of the larger tabs. I'm going to fold that round and glue that other tab over the top. So I'm just going to add glue here and press that down, making sure it's all straight. Okay, and then do the same for the other side. And then you're going to do exactly the same to this piece here. Okay, so then you'll have your 2 tubes, and we're going to place them onto the bottom of our box like so. And I'm not going all the way up to the edge, I'm just coming in slightly, so probably about a 1/8 of an inch space. And then obviously you need to make sure that they both line up with each other, so we're going to go ahead and glue them down. So before I stick this on, I want to add some pattern paper to the bottom of the cart so it ties in with the roof. So I've got 4 pieces that measure 3 3/8 by 1 3/8, and I'm going to have them along the bottom here. So I'm going to glue them down. Okay, so I've glued them on. So now I can attach this piece. So this is going to get glued to what would be the back of the cart where the handles would be, and we're going to just glue that underneath that window there. So while that's setting, we're going to do the wheels and the handles. So what I did was I cut out the center pieces of the black wheels, and then I just glued the frame on top of the white ones and added some foam pad behind the pink and placed that in the centers, and I did that for the small ones. For the handles, I just cut the end part of the handle on the black card and just stuck them on to the yellow pieces. So now we can glue them to our box. So we can, I think, add the wheels first. What we're going to do is just place the large ones at the front and then the small ones at the back, like so. So I'm going to glue them down. Okay, so that's the wheels now stuck on. Isn't it looking cute? So now we need to attach the handles. So these are going to go along here, and I just lined up the top with just underneath that window like so, and then I will glue that down, and then I will also glue this one on the other side. Okay, so they're now glued on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stamp my images and decide what ephemera I want to use to decorate it, and then when I've done that I'll come back and show you the finished project. Okay, so I have just decorated it with some of these images from the stamp set. So I've coloured in some balloons, I've got the candy floss, and I cut out the letters PopCorn and the ticket from the PopCorn die set as well. I was going to add decoration around the rest of the box, but I thought that I wouldn't at the minute. I might do that later on, I don't know. But then this lid just slides off to add your treats inside there. So as you can see, I've not attached the balloons to the lid because otherwise it won't open. But there we go, that is my sample using the Simply Made Crafts PopCorn die set, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to get your hands on the products that have been used in today's video, you will find them linked down below in the description bar. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. Until next time guys, take care. See you soon. Bye.